buying a house together, long awaited couples finally coming together and they are spiritually enlightened. They are on their higher self truth. One focuses on materialistic stuff and other on the spiritual side of life, therefore forming a balance. Dream becomes reality. Their sun is shining brightly. Their truth is guarding them, is fencing them. It is defending them. They are drawing a beautiful pathway back to home, taking on the obstacles, but there is still one block for them, which they will eventually break. They are both warrior, charging head on. They are being each other's eyes. The snake is being opened and it's going away from the closed box. It's been spotted and removed. Lengthy growth on abundance, financial matters. Finally, recognizing the one, like the one in love matters. Sleepless nights and sorrow to leave, and sun is shining on the face. A repeating message on the sun shining face, the one I'm seeing 777, and the partner is finally opening up. I see protests regarding another nation for their ignorance, or it's the government, something about a mansion or a temple. I see an Indian flag waving in the wind. I see pillars and the truth being exposed. The mouth is going to talk about it. I see some restrictions and feelings, sadness, the feeling blue, the representation of the medical glossarius. I think I'm pronouncing it wrongly. That representation is getting destroyed of its values. I see a funeral role of Illuminati in it somehow. I don't know why that's coming. I see an old fashioned telephone. I also see Egypt. I see tribal ancient king's temple. I think it's Indians. One of the temples has lion statue which has a movable part on its mouth and it's a scroll. All this is meant to happen. The wish of the Trinity. Something about 33, number 33. It contains some kind of truth. They tried hiding it, but it kind of overflowed and it's going to get exposed. It's already coming up. It's too long to cut it out now. I see a deity, Skandan temple, being restricted of entry. They're doing this out of ego and it's going to get exposed. It's a trap. Some officer is being corrupt and gets money betraying one's own country, though they don't want to do that, but they have no choice. I see an apple of love, opposites attract, flowing emotions of love like a fountain, like a wishing well, and it happens. Again, like I said, it's repeating message. Again, the same message of being exposed and the infinity symbol. I'm seeing 4444 or 8888. I see Lord Shiva's Damaru representing the rhythm of life and something about DNA and cells connection with the moon. Getting information on the phases of the moon, mainly females, they'll be getting because females are representation like a moon's representation of human I mean females emotions. Oh my god, I'm getting Mercury retrograde. That's why I'm not able to speak. Okay, with hair, wavy or curly hair, the female thing, right? And the hot is turning warm because of mixing them again and again. It has pieces of some ego and status mixed with it. Oh, sorry for that. Ignorance with passion. A woman with a passion who is spitting the truth. She actually tried to hide it, but her hands are too small, and I think she's doing it on purpose. She is either a navy or a marine official or a medical official. I see two Trishuls, a trident. Okay, again, the maru or an hourglass. That's how it looks. Neptune placement, octopus, I'm seeing Titanic captain, water element, seaweeds, fishes jumping out to tell the truth. I also hear Mercury, yeah, and also a peculiar sign. I say octopus. I was seeing octopus image, and look at this. You see that Rasul kind of trident kind of thing, and it's an actually an octopus. And you see this K. I was talking about the Kraken related channeling in my Insta thing. I think it has some kind of a connection, and I see yeah, I have already channeled a message on it. You should see the Insta page. I used clarifiers on the moon card, and where's the moon? Here we go. It's actually saying the same thing. There's a light at the end of the channel, and the lock is open. The sun is shining brightly. Um, I also use clarification for Devil's Card, and I got the girl reaching for the moon, representing the truth being exposed. And it's almost there, and someone is trying to grab the girl from her behind. Also got the awareness card and the conscious and the consciousness card, the higher consciousness, the fifth dimension card. Um, Also for the opponents, I got there are under stress and they are tied and they can't move. The truth being exposed, the truth which is going to be exposed is surely going to send some people behind bars, right? And I also see heart and truth led by intuition, I mean the higher self. Um, the Knight of Cups was clarified by the person who's coming with the offer of love. They realized it the hard way that this is the person that I have to go this way, I have to come in terms with them, right? And now they know, and some are traveling a very long way to see you. The fog that covered their way is finally leaving, and they can see where they're going now. So this is the channeled. I mean, this is the reading for the general collective message for February. General collective message February. Okay, and I also got throat problems, anxiety, and restlessness and shortness of breath. Maybe some of you are suffering from this, so watch out for that. Um, so I'm going to be showing the cards that I got as the final thing. Maybe if you see something in the cards, you can take that as also. So I got the Chariot as the first card. Then I got the Seven of Cups in the reverse. Then I got the Devil card. Look at that. And you see that someone is trying to grab this girl who is reaching for the truth. Moon represents the truth. Yeah. And it's almost there. Uh, Heart and the truth is almost there because of intuition, because of the help of intuition. And the awareness card, Ace of Swords, Ace of Wands, Five of Cups in reverse, Wands, Eight of Wands, Jack of Swords. I mean, the Knight of Swords, the cup. The cup. I think it's an Ace or it's a Knight of Cups. The Moon card, the Temperance, and the King of Cups. Yeah, so this is going to be the February's collective reading, gender collective reading. Hope you have a good day. Thank you.